Okay, for tile problems, right, or patterns, the thing we need to do first is figure out what the pattern is. So anyway, for A, they want us to draw figure 0 and figure 4, right? And then for B, they want to know in figure 10 how many there's going to be, right? In figure 10, how many there are going to be. Okay, I'm going to kind of zoom this over so we'll remember what they want us to do, right? So for A, they want us to draw figure 0, right? And figure 4. So first let's figure out what's going on. So what I'm going to do in figure 2, I'm going to color in, right, what was there from figure 1 so I can kind of figure out what is happening in figure 2. Now if I look at this, I can see that they're actually adding 2 tiles up here, 2 tiles here, and 1 tile here. And that pattern is going to hold true. In figure 3, they added 2 tiles here, 2 tiles here, and 1 tile here, right? So every time they're actually adding 5 tiles, right? They're adding 5 tiles. So that means for figure 0, they're going to take away 2 tiles from here. So to go backwards, right? They're going to take away 2 tiles here, take away 2 tiles here, and take away tiles here. So figure 0, right? If I draw figure 0, I'm left with this block right there. So figure 0, right? Figure 0. Okay. Now for figure 4, this is going to take a little bit more work to do. So I'm going to draw figure 4 right here. Okay, so I'm going to change this and be figure 4, right? So what am I going to do? I'm going to add 2 tiles here. I'm going to add 2 tiles here. And I'm going to add 1 there, right? So there's figure 4. Okay. So that was part A. Now part B says figure 10, right? How can I figure out? This is part B, figure 10. So what I could do, if I'm not sure, I could make a little table here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? And then I could fill in how many tiles are in each figure. So in figure 1, I can count. There's 2, 4, 5, 6, right? In figure 2, again, I can count 4, 8, 11, right? And we know the rule is we're adding 5 every time, right? Because we're adding 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, and 1 in the middle. So if I add 5, if I just keep doing that, right, in my head, I get 16, 21, 26, 31, 36, 41, 46, 51. So for B, right, the answer would be 51 tiles. And how do I know this? The way I know this is we're adding 5 tiles for every sequential figure.